in God, we are in God, including our Master's none. Let's be the Christ that youth for the country. As we sing the topics for this year's program is walking peacefully towards us, towards the children's seats. But let's put you in a song.
Yes, of course, Everlove TV right here at Tegbi. It came about to the Tegbi RC Basic School. My brother Everlove TV, Evadura Fianu Kopam, my brother Young Man Intellectual Debate Contest. Any Egba to Kaiko, or launch Mula, Tegbi, my brother Egba Lafia, Benya, Akonia, Ali, 1 hour maker, anyone I talk Yareka, or launch Mula, Egba Ponta, Egba toy can launch Mola and Nelia. So we are here to witness this very great thing over here too. Remember to subscribe and be part of this great channel so that we can make it happen.
It's a program that I thought we will cherish so much because a program that has to do with the learning of our children. It's a quiz competition. And having gone through all the levels of education and all the school setups, if I say school setups, I am a product of middle school. I have gone through the primary school, the middle school, secondary school, polytechnic, teacher training college, university for first degree, university for second degree. I know what it means when students hear of competition. It is the time that students pay particular attention to learning. So I was looking forward that parents, stakeholders from all avenues will find it as a very important program to be here today to honor this function. However, the absence of the stakeholders have not made me lose hope. Quiz competition, as we are all seated here today to launch, is something that is very, very dear to the heart of many educators, because it is the time that students try to bring out their hidden talents.
And this conference was done in Tehran, it was said in 1990, that it was deduced that the national, the regional, and the local educational authority only has a duty to provide necessary education for all human beings. But it was there they realized that they do not do that alone. And there was a need, and there is still a need for partnership. And this partnership will be between government and the non-governmental agencies or partners.
Benson Carriage Fialba, the coordinator for Young Minds Intellectual Quiz Championship, which is being organized by Young Foundation Builders Network in partnership with Ghana Library Authority, Kata Branch. This is a contest that this group has realized that if this thing has been in existence for long, it will help our students to learn. And then we came across a lot of things that motivated us that this is what you need to be doing to help our students. So we started this contest in 2017 up to today. And I may say we have our first contest, we have our second contest, season 3, and then today we are here, we are launching the season 4. For our quiz contest, we do debate alongside with the quiz. So we have done debate for 2 years, and then we scale it down to quizzes for the first, second, and then the third year. And then for the first quiz contest, we had Global Basic School being the champion for our season 1. And then fortunately again for season 2 for quiz, we have Abo EP Junior High School also being the champions for season 2. and then the motivation keep on increasing, and the schools keep on enrolling. And then we have done our season 3 just last year, and then fortunately, and all things being equal again, we have Ketasco Basic being the champion for season 3, and today we are launching the season 4, which will be in the academic year for 2023. And then we are starting this contest with 33 schools from Keta and then the Angloga side. It has been a good contest that we have started, and then things are coming, our schools are coming in, and then one thing that we will see being a challenge to us is sponsorship. It has not been easy. Even though our first, second, third contests, we were able to give the winning schools and all contested schools something. We want this year's contest to be of different kind. That the package that will be going to the schools, it will be something great for them. Even though we have a trophy that is will be contested for the first position, donated by our brother, Mr. Seth Fiati, donated a trophy for the first position. And then second position holders, we have our own brother from Keta side, Mr. Ivan Koshiga. And then we also have the third trophy for the third place for the season, also donated by Honorable Joseph Agbako. And then we have other things too that we will give for the winning schools. We have medals that will go for the first, second, and third position. And then we also have a lot of things, certificates, books, and others. We also have cash prizes. Last year we were able to give cash prizes to the first, second, third, and then the fourth position. And then today, as we are launching the season 4, we are expecting that more sponsorship will come on board, and then we'll be able to award our students handsomely. We have acknowledged the good work of the Keta and the Angloga, the Educational Directorate. They are with us, and we are expecting that by the end, when we start this contest, the whole contest will start in March as we launch today. So from March up to August, we are expecting that before we come to the end, we have a full sponsorship package. But at stake, it is our prayer that the first school that we merge will be able to award the first school with 2,000 Ghana cedis. It's a lot of packages, and then the first, second, third also goes in that way. So we are appealing to the whole people watching Everlove TV, as you are listening to us, come to our aid and help us so that we'll be able to move education in the Keta and Angloga forward. We thank you all for watching Everlove TV. Subscribe to the Everlove TV, and then if you're able to reach us, you can reach us from this number 054 68 68 065 054 68 68 065. You can also follow us to watch some of our programs too on Everlove TV. You can follow us on Facebook, The Intellectual Quiz. You can also follow us on YouTube too, The Intellectual Quiz, and also follow us. And then we will do it for Mother Ghana. God bless you.